Some drivers are truly reckless. After many years of logging, I have come to realize that it is a humbling experience. No matter how carefully you plan, every log is different and every cut is a gamble. You have to respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. When the logs start moving, your experience will be meaningless. Brilliant move that could have been successful. But too bad for the excavator operator. Fortunately, the water level in the dam had dropped from the previous days, making it easy for the machine to operate. The Isuzu truck crosses the river in Camoapa, on the route from Siquia to Santa Rosa, creating an impressive sight. With difficult terrain and large rivers, moving through this area is always a big challenge for drivers. However, the truck still made it through with resilience, proving the strength and endurance of both the vehicle and the driver. A man came up with a bold idea: demolish a giant silo with just a sledgehammer.
Where's all these people that said they wanted
He
to come
pounded
see
hard
this
on the
crap,
base of the
Carl?
pillar, and as expected,
people
the
have.
entire structure collapsed quickly.
Did he?
In a split second, the giant concrete block almost crushed him.
Oh! Yeah!
Luckily, he and his group of friends escaped in time, leaving behind an unforgettable, heart-stopping
show that one
moment.
today, Ian. Oh.
Don't risk this tractor without a good driver. This beat truck seems to have brake problems, causing it to bounce around like a frog on the road. Each bounce is a heart-stopping moment, and at any moment, the vehicle could completely lose control. A dance of steel and pine under a crescent moon, this excavator turns adversity into art. Each log is a brush stroke in a winter painting, and the rumble of the engine creates a symphony of power and precision between machine and man in the face of nature. The rain from last night had turned the dirt road into a giant mud puddle. The Toyota 4X4 truck, which was famous for its off-road capabilities, now showed its powerlessness. The four wheels of the 4-ton truck spun violently, kicking up puddles of mud, but the body of the truck remained firmly in place. The driver, a veteran driver, couldn't help but feel anxious. He tried to control the vehicle carefully, but all his efforts were in vain. It seemed like the car had been swallowed by the slimy mud. A bad day at work for the driver. It seems that due to the outdated structure combined with the excessive load, the entire bridge collapsed into a deep ravine.
Oh my God.
The most amazing street ballet performance I have ever seen. The big wheel tractor slowly moved on the muddy road, the wheels spinning in the thick mud. With its superior power, it overcame the difficult roads, demonstrating impressive off-road capabilities even in harsh conditions. Dashcam footage shows a tractor trailer careening through and crashing into a snowbank on I-80 westbound near Yuba Pass. The heavy snow and slippery road conditions made the situation dangerous, creating a dramatic moment on this rugged mountain pass. An accident occurred near Chukatong village, Waka, Nagaland. This is a cautionary tale of caution and safety while driving, especially in hilly areas where road conditions can be very challenging. What happened to him on I-95 in Norwalk? These drivers prove that not everyone is fit enough to drive. The Quadco high-speed sawhead, with its powerful 27B and 28B, is an excellent tool for cutting logs and processing large trees. Thanks to its robust design and high-speed operation, this sawhead can cut quickly and accurately, increasing work efficiency in logging environments. The combination of high power and stable cutting speed helps to reduce working time and increase productivity for logging equipment. His slow journey had cost him too much money. The powerful Ritter tractors in the Lower Austria region have proven their superiority in all terrain conditions. With their impressive traction and durable design, they are a great help for farmers and foresters. Discover the most impressive moments of Ritter Schlepper in its journey to conquer difficult challenges. On the A108 near Oberlensk, a car carrier with 7 cars on board lost control and plunged into a ditch. The rescue operation was challenging as rescuers struggled to pull the vehicle and its heavy cargo from the scene. This is a testament to the risks truck drivers face every day on dangerous roads. This truck carrying tons of wood will give you the answer. The weather is really good for sleepers. It has been raining heavily for many days. The road has become slippery. The 375 horsepower Ho-Oh truck, heavily loaded with goods, is stuck in a deep mud puddle. The engine roars fiercely. Black smoke billows out. The wheels spin, rocks and dirt are flying everywhere, but the car is still helpless. The situation becomes more dangerous when the engine starts to overload. The temperature increases. The rope is stretched tight. The car roars like a wild animal wanting to be free. Do you hear it? The earth-shaking roar of giant vehicles. Amazing. The monsters on the high-speed railway construction site are rushing forward, with powerful engines and overwhelming power, breaking through all obstacles, creating the future. The Timberjack 1270, with its 18-ton weight and ability to cut trees up to 60 cm in diameter, is the ideal choice for logging in North America and Scandinavia. This truck carrying tons of wood will give you the answer. Massive machines. A moment of chaos. With just a few clicks, an entire building was completely destroyed. Modern technology has made this process fast and accurate, turning seemingly complex tasks into simple operations on the screen. Oh, it seems that the load was not evenly distributed, causing the vehicle to lose balance and fall over after only unloading a small amount of cargo. We can discuss the possibility of retrieving the cargo later. But what I don't understand is why that guy did that. A serious accident occurred in the Antiguo Morelos Mountains, Tamps, right at the curve before the chapel on the road to El Naranjo, SLP, Mexico.
Ay, ahí va. Ahí va para abajo ya. Ya va para abajo, mira.
A tractor trailer loaded with sugarcane overturned while traveling on the dangerous mountain pass. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but the accident caused traffic disruption and required the assistance of rescue forces to clear the scene. Working in the Oud-Heverlee BE forest, Dirk van de Velde uses his new Mechalak 15 MWR to clear large logs with great speed and precision. Thanks to its compact size, four-wheel steering, and powerful boom, Dirk can easily work in tight corners, making the machine the ideal companion for his work. While unloading beer crates from a truck, the workers made a critical mistake by not using a support ram. When the beer crates hit the edge of the truck, they lost balance and fell, sending a series of beer bottles crashing to the ground. It appears that the EXP truck has suffered a serious mechanical failure. It is possible that condensation from the compressor has blocked the airflow, leading to this dangerous situation. Black smoke billowing high, a stark reminder of its sheer power. Traditional mooring operations on ships always pose many risks to the crew. Therefore, equipping yourself with knowledge and following safety procedures is extremely important to minimize risks during mooring. Great. The truck driver did a great job. He steered the big truck with a fully loaded bed through the narrow road. His steering was powerful, wasn't it? Combine harvesters are efficient, but when it comes to pulling power, nothing can match the heavy-duty disc harrows. In Serigelies, a Rabastiger roars trying to uproot stubborn tree stumps. Under its enormous power, roots are torn apart. The car rushed into the dangerous curve, where the road curved around the steep cliff. The driver tightened his grip on the steering wheel, straining to control every centimeter so as not to slide off the edge of the cliff. The tires screeched on the road. The engine roared as the car slowed down and then accelerated strongly to escape the deadly curve. This was not only a challenge of skill, but also a test of nerves of steel, where even the smallest mistake could lead to unpredictable consequences. He is so talented, even inspired people with his work. It's great to see someone who knows how to get things done. The 2015 Fiat 1300 DT Superbetravs rolls powerfully through the fields, demonstrating the power and durability of a modern tractor. With a powerful engine and four-wheel drive, it easily plows the land, preparing it for the new crop. Its sturdy design and advanced technology make it an ideal choice for large farms. Under the afternoon sun, the Fiat 1300 DT continues to glide through the rows, demonstrating the perfect combination of performance and reliability. Oh my gosh! One of the great truck drivers, loaded up and heading down to Sierra de El Naranjo, SLP. A challenging situation when the PTO brake system on the Coimbriata IHC 1455 and 2A 1046 tractors failed. These powerful machines are under great pressure when operating, and any malfunction can have serious consequences. It was a crazy scene as the drivers tried to control the situation and fix the problem to continue working safely. Oh, the tractor driver is proficient in tree stump removal techniques, using the power of the machine to safely and efficiently remove tree stumps, helping to clear land for farming or construction. This short clip shows a truck crash at a construction site in Ribeirão Preto.
Oh my God.
The driver miscalculated when he crossed the road leading to the construction site. Oh, he did a great job. What would you do if faced with such a situation? The trailer is not loaded properly. This will be a great lesson and reminder to others. The Fendt 939 and Xerion 3800 are both powerful agricultural machines, but each has its own unique selling points. Who will win this battle? Yes, this is definitely poor driver skill in trying to overtake the tractor. Surprisingly, when the Chemrock KSI 12,000 machine started working, the retaining wall columns from the soil cement mixture were formed perfectly. This is what happens when you go around a corner too fast with a large trailer carrying large loads. Looks like the road is open again, miraculously. Pulling the Lear 974 excavator onto a flatbed truck through winding roads is no easy feat. This journey really tests endurance and driving skills, requiring every movement to be precise down to the millimeter. The excavator was lying on its side, obviously having been flipped upside down somehow. It needed the cooperation of both machines to return to its original position under the instructor's command. Would you believe this is the precision of using explosives on a giant machine? Oh my God! Look at his strength. Struggling to get over the muddy slope, This is not as easy as we think. Will he be able to get out of this forest successfully? A dangerous challenge. Superb skills that will amaze you. A skillful maneuver by the driver successfully avoided an incident on the road. It is a lesson in driving in wet conditions, clearly warning of danger, reminding us to always slow down and be careful. Absolutely amazing. The driver navigated through the chaos with ease. The semi-truck encountered an issue due to rapid deceleration. Oh, a rare accident at the Zarita power plant. When the tractor transporting the excavator suddenly had a tire blowout at a dangerous curve on High Van Pass. The driver immediately kept calm and slowed down to avoid losing control. The timely and careful response helped prevent a dangerous situation from becoming worse. Oh, the Vermeer RTX 1250 i2 saw from Rocky Hill Equipment Rentals is designed to be powerful and user-friendly. With its versatile control system, operators can easily cut through tough materials. The machine is built to perform efficiently in harsh environments, ensuring high productivity. This is a test by the Texas A&M Transportation Institute to evaluate a tube-shaped barrier authorized by the U.S. Department of State. They sent a heavy truck down the road at 50 mph to crash into the steel barrier. Huge forestry trucks slowly make their way through the rugged hills of Chile, where their heavy loads make it difficult to descend. Narrow, steep roads require drivers to concentrate, as even the slightest mistake can lead to a serious accident. The Cat 320B must have been working non-stop to overheat like that. Luckily, the driver got out. Severe weather conditions left the express bus 200 stuck in the snow. However, the scene is a living testament to the spirit of teamwork in the face of harsh nature. An excavator demolishes a house at the corner of Woodmont Avenue and Edgemore Lane in Bethesda, Maryland. The structure is being leveled to make way for a 154-unit apartment building just a block from the subway station that promises modern, convenient living. The Volvo loaded with lumber got stuck, the wheels stuck in the mud, making all the driver's efforts useless. A feeling of despair rose as the car wouldn't budge. Fortunately, a powerful trailer appeared, pulling the Volvo out of the mud, bringing an exhilarating release. The powerful feeling of the Ho 06 X4 dump truck overloading made me both amazed and worried. Unparalleled performance, but the huge weight made the vehicle seem to be struggling against adversity. Workers load and place coils with absolute precision. The strong, coordinated movements make me feel the strength and meticulousness in each job, creating an impressive scene. What is going on here? The giant windmill was being transported through the narrow road, each fan blade reaching up like a sturdy steel bar. The sound of the engine echoed. I felt the strength and sophistication of technology and human labor blending together. Thermite versus stump, an unequal battle. With over 6 swarms of thermite, the stump has little chance. Fire, molten iron, and pure destruction make this an impressive way to clear land that you won't see from the average user. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with the shipping skills that will surprise you.
Veníamos en la carretera y de repente la vaina se viró. Loco, le va a caer encima. Qué lindo, qué lindo. No hay restricciones ni nada, vale verga la vida. ¡Wii!
The excavator roared, each blow hitting the chimney with great force. Debris flew everywhere, the sound reverberated. I felt both devastation and hope, as if a new chapter was beginning, replacing the old. Due to the oversized transport and harsh terrain, the trailer was tilted, but that did not stop it from taking only a few minutes to pull the wood onto a flat surface. Yes. If you like our video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, please comment number 2. While turning, the trailer was swept down the ravine due to the tight curve and narrow road. The wheels slid off the edge of the road, causing the vehicle to get stuck. The main cause was a combination of difficult terrain and careless driving.
Так что, думаешь, молодец.
What happens if your car is not serviced regularly? Watch the whole clip to find out. The 70-ton dump truck was stuck deep in the mud, making everyone worried. The D10 bulldozer pulled the truck strongly, but the tension did not let go. The people involved felt every difficult moment, while the witnesses could not help but sigh, hoping for a successful rescue. The important lesson when participating in traffic is to always maintain caution and concentration. A stupid game by Indiana residents? You can feel the tension through the screen. Every second counts. Everyone is focused without hesitation, just pure skill and trust. This is great team spirit. Get ready to experience breathtaking moments as the world's largest heavy machinery performs its most dangerous transportation skills. In this video, you will witness the perfect combination of groundbreaking technology and the courage of experts, opening up a world of challenges and inspiration. Imagine you're handling this bulky item. Drama. A 150-ton, 18-tire Tata truck faced a sharp curve, trapping the driver and the vehicle for 48 hours. The sheer size and weight of the monster on wheels made all attempts to control it hopeless. However, the solidarity and unyielding spirit of the villagers joined forces to help the truck overcome the seemingly impossible challenge. It is hard to understand why you would choose to destroy more walls instead of simply building a ramp. Just a small slip from the bucket and everything could collapse. Have you ever tried to play mind games with a stubborn machine like this? Trust me, it is not a pleasant experience. Wow! The Sino-Truck Hawo 336 dump truck is unloading impressively, the gravel box behind it making it rock with every movement. Flip screen is an efficient screening accessory, easy to change the screen on site within 5 minutes without tools. With a large screen surface area, flip screen is suitable for wet and sticky materials thanks to the cleaning brush set. In addition, the machine also has a mixing disc to mix the mixture on site. As things went from bad to worse in the crane industry, the situation deteriorated rapidly. A tower crane dropped a large load, an excavator down the tunnel elevator shaft due to a faulty drilling rig, causing a serious accident. Oh my God, what happened to the carrying capacity rule? What an awesome machine. It's impressive to see a forklift actually lift another 12K forklift. It's hard not to laugh at the sheer power. But how do you move this monster? Curious about the power of giant mining machines? With a 350 horsepower engine, the 1989 Caterpillar D11N starts working in a new seam, revealing the coal seam below the ground. Oh, do you want to experience that feeling? A dramatic performance. The powerful Cat machine with 500 horsepower engine is doing the job of demolishing the old house. Its superior power makes every job fast and efficient. Leave comment number 1 if you are impressed with these machines. Imagine pulling a 100-foot wheelie in a 1984 International, squeezing the last bit of power from the Cummins engine, a feat both daring and exhilarating. The BAL 2024 straw was transported in ideal weather conditions, marking a bumper harvest. The collection and transportation process ran smoothly, thanks to the support of modern machinery and equipment. The impressive fleet, including Scania R420, Scania R540, Scania R450, as well as Bobcat TL35.7 and Bobcat TL26.6, ensured outstanding efficiency and high reliability. A perfect combination of technology and professionalism. Witness the incredible power of the HGTE Hybrid 12, the world's most powerful harvester, as it joins SRLB on a mission to a spruce logging site. With exquisite engineering, this giant machine deftly navigates narrow roads and rough terrain, proving its ability to conquer all challenges in the forestry sector. A showcase of technology and power at its finest. The steep slopes and dangerous curves have challenged countless tanker drivers, and this is not the first time a driver has lost control of a vehicle and plunged into a ravine. Two excavators were brought in to pull the truck up, showing only minor damage, and fortunately no one was injured. A challenging day lifting giant 50-ton boards in Napa. The new LRC trailer from ABS Remorca uses a crossbeam to attach the conveyor to the frame, increasing the strength by 30% compared to the standard model. The subframe and main components are galvanized, protecting against corrosion, reducing maintenance costs, and extending service life. The direct conveyor connection increases unloading speed by 16%, along with improvements to the pressure regulator, connector, and scraping mechanism, improving safety and ease of use. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the Volvo truck easily turns around on tight terrain. Flexible steering system and stable operation help the vehicle move safely and efficiently, even in difficult situations. What is happening to him? A 450-ton transformer broke down on the M74 ramp, but the transport team handled the situation with incredible professionalism. It was impressive how skilled and calm they were in navigating such a huge load on such a challenging route. Awesome. Watch this excavator nibble on a cookie. This was another example of logistical excellence, as four 36M frames, weighing a total of 20 tons, were transported flawlessly. This task required meticulous planning and the support of top-notch specialist equipment. With a synchronized transport team and seamless convoy execution, the team demonstrated remarkable skill and confirmed the outstanding reliability of Weiss Rock products. An impressive collaboration. Oh, is this car celebrating victory and jumping for joy? Join me as we explore the incredible machinery in the forestry industry, from giant logging trucks to powerful saws. These machines are designed to tackle the toughest and harshest challenges, ensuring outstanding performance. Let's embark on this impressive and exciting adventure together. A long dead tree on private land was safely felled using dynamite for firewood. Yes, this is a common method used when removing dead or damaged trees, especially when safety is a concern, as chainsaws can be dangerous. However, it should be noted that this method should only be performed by experienced professionals and should not be attempted. Oh no. Big storms are no joke. It's like nature is showing its power. Luckily for him, the tree decided that destroying the house was enough. Wow, that's team spirit. The Stump Boss Lelatide NZ stump grinder is a great solution for quick and efficient stump removal. With its robust design and advanced technology, it is capable of handling stubborn stumps, even in difficult terrain conditions. Not only does it save time and effort, the Stump Boss also ensures smooth and clean grinding marks, creating the perfect surface for land reclamation projects. This is truly the optimal choice for forestry professionals and professional gardeners. The perfect bridge. The CBI 5400 stump grinder combined with the Caterpillar 324E is the perfect duo for grinding stumps to produce P100 standard biomass. With its superior power, this system easily handles large stumps, providing high efficiency and stable productivity. However, during operation, sometimes there will be small problems, such as a piece of wood stuck on the Caterpillar 324E crane, like having a piece of spinach stuck in your teeth. It's embarrassing, but it's